Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water nozzle in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a pair of side cutters, and a small zip tie. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new water nozzle. The water nozzle is mounted on the back of the refrigerator. It connects the water supply tube with the injection tube. If you are experiencing a water leak at the back of the refrigerator where the water nozzle is mounted, you gotta check the nozzle and replace it if needed. At the back of the refrigerator, using the Phillips screwdriver, take the retainer screw that holds the water supply tube out. Pull the water supply tube out of the old nozzle. Then remove the two Phillips screws that secure the nozzle to the cabinet and take the old nozzle off. Remove the mounting bracket and put it aside. This is the old water nozzle next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Check condition of the injector tube and replace it together with the nozzle if necessary. The part number for the injector tube is 5210JJ3005B as in boy. You can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Place the mounting bracket onto the new water nozzle. Install the new nozzle onto the injector tube. Slide the water supply tube in and secure it with the two Phillips screws. Place the zip tie on the nozzle and tie the zip tie. Use the side cutters to cut the extra off. Secure the supply tube with the Phillips screw. And plug the fridge in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.